Hey, what's up? I'm Yasser and welcome to this third PopupBuilder demo. In this video, we're going to cover 3 different features of PopupBuilder. We're going to see how you can lock your content until a user signs up on your pop-up. Then we're going to cover the analytics and split testing functionalities. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with content locking. I'm going to create a new pop-up up here and I'm going to name it Forced Opt-in, and I'll leave the event at entrance and go down here to scheduling and make sure that duration is set to 0. That way, the pop-up will never close unless the user closes it. So let's go down inside the builder and we will drag a ready-made template. Let's choose this one that has an opt-in form and drag it and drop it on the pop-up. Nice. What I'm gonna do now is delete the close button. That way there will be no way of closing the pop-up unless the user enters his name and email. Let's save this and close the builder. Now I'll publish this pop-up and I'll go ahead and preview it. Okay, so here is our pop-up and you can see that there is no way of closing it unless I enter my name and email. And of course you can put your own custom messages there to ask the user to enter their information in order to unlock the page. Now if I enter my name and email, I will get to the thank you page that I have set up inside my autoresponder. And when I get back to the page, the pop-up is gone and I will never see it again. Now let's go directly to the analytics feature and see how it works. Now you may have already noticed that on the Manage Pop-ups page, you can already see how many impressions a pop-up had, the number of unique visits, the number of conversions, as well as the conversion rate. And the conversion can be anything from a click on an image or a click on a button or an opt-in form that was filled in. You can access the analytics of each pop-up by just going to the analytics link under each one. So I'll access the analytics of pop-up 1, and here we are presented with a nice line chart that clearly shows how many impressions, unique visits, and conversions this pop-up had over time. And on the right hand side here we can set the time we want to see on the chart. For example, the last 3 days or the last 15 days, and we also have the option to set our custom period. And then down here, we have a breakdown of those numbers over the pages on which they occurred. Okay, that's it for the analytics. Let's go ahead and see the split testing functionality. I'll go to the PopupBuilder menu and click on Split Tests. You can see that I already have a split test that is created. Let's go ahead and create a new one. And for those of you who are not familiar with split testing, it is a way of comparing how 2 pop-ups perform by splitting the traffic over them and determining which one converts better. So I'll name this my first split test, and here I get to choose the 2 pop-ups I want to compare. So pop-up A and pop-up B. Then I get to choose the percentage of traffic I need to send to the first pop-up. The percentage of the second pop-up will be automatically calculated. Down here, we set where on our website do we want to run this split test. And those are regular targeting options, just like the ones we have seen in the previous video. Whether to run the split test on all pages, some of them, all posts, posts within a category, or posts that have a specific tag, etc. And then at the bottom, we can keep track of some notes. Okay, let's save this split test. Looking back at our split tests list, you can see that we have no data on this new one that we have just created. We do, however, have data on the one that's already here. And so far, Pop-up 2 is winning with 23% of conversions against Pop-up 1 with 22%. And if we click on the analytics link next to the split test, we are presented with a detailed line chart of how those pop-ups behaved compared to each other. That's it for this demo. As always, if you have any questions or feedback, please let us know in the comments section below this video. If you haven't done so already, please sign up below to get your launch discount. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you later. Take care.